Okay, once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night for everyone to have time to join us. Today, VIP Research Group at Asabas University is proud to have this two-day morning research outcome webinar, VIP Raw 2021. And today we will have two speakers to talking about their research outcome within 3 months. So basically, VIP research group usually will have a research outcome webinar in April, in the end of April or the beginning of May, as well as in the end of August and the beginning of September. So for this two research outcome webinar, usually we will have our researcher to present their research outcome in their 3 or 4 months research internship or research assistantship. So you can see how they can do so much thing, so many tasks within 3 months. And today, I would like to show you today we have two speakers. The first one is Ishika Tailor, and the second one is Bala Manikadan. They will present their research outcome in terms of using neural networks to training, to recognizing the trace of different things. One is fish tracking, another one is fall detection. Tomorrow, we will have another 3 speakers who are talking about time series data mining. We use time series data mining techniques to make a recommendation for users according to their past behavior. We will also have another research that is trying to use DBpedia to find the most valid and useful words and part of a speech tag, so researchers they can use. And we also will present another research tomorrow that's talking about how we create a visualized editing environment for you to create a chatbot, and you can use chatbot to teach your students English, French, and even how to taking care about virtual patients or elder people. So today and tomorrow we have 5 presentations, and I hope you can enjoy and join us to see how these researchers they can do this amazing work within 3 or 4 months.